how precious. Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new weekly reset video. I feel like it's been so long since I filmed one of these, but this week in particular I feel like I really need to do one of these. I had a pretty good week last week, and then at the end of the week I was hit with really bad food poisoning from seafood. It landed me in the ER and it was just a really rough time, and it took me like 3 or 4 days to recover from it. So I wanted to just show you guys how I'm kind of getting my life back on track. I know the holidays are in full swing right now and it can be really hard to kind of like keep your home life organized with everything else going on. So I hope this video can help inspire you guys if you feel like you just need a little pick-me-up or motivation for this week. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be doing a bunch of cleaning around my house. We're gonna be doing some goal setting. I wanna make sure I give Cleo a bath. Honestly, just really wanna take care of myself because that feels like the ultimate reset. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I just woke up and I figured the best way to start is by cleaning my house, because I don't think you can really tell in this clip, but it is quite a mess. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of cleaning this first, and I will catch up with you guys a little bit after. I'm fighting all of these Gatorade bottles that I was drinking when I was severely poisoned. Cleo, let's go take a shower, come on. She's like, what's my easiest escape route? Let's take a shower. Let's take a shower, come on. Let's go. Come on, take a shower, let's go. Go. Guys, she literally knows exactly what I'm saying. Let's go take a shower, come on. No. Come on, let's take a shower. No. Good girl, come on. Good girl. Come here. Come here, come on. Good girl, good girl. Yummy. I just got out of the shower. Cleo and I are feeling so clean, so fresh, and I got my hair in some braids. Cannot wait to eat some dinner soon. I'm so hungry, but I'm gonna go ahead and do some skincare first. I'm very happy because I feel like I'm ending this year off on a good skincare note. I have had a crazy skincare journey the past few years, and it just feels really good that I'm finally in a good routine. I think a lot of it has to do with, you know, diet and water intake and sleeping habits, but of course your skincare is also really important. And I have to say, I think the brand that I've used most consistently this year is 𝗞𝗘𝗡. So I discovered this brand at the beginning of summer, and I'm not joking guys, I've used them every single day, and I'm not even being dramatic. I have so many product empties from them. Their Kombu balancing toner specifically, it contains fermented ingredients which just work really well for my skin. So I wanted to show you, they actually came out with this, which is a newer product. This is their Kombu Balancing Ampoule toner set. So it comes with this toner, which I've been using for months and months, but then the new thing that it comes with is this, which is a box of cotton pads that you can use the toner for. They're pretty much specifically made for this specific toner and helping this toner absorb better into your skin when you use these. I love these because they are so soft, so they're not harsh on the skin. I'll either just like apply the product all over my face, but I think today I'm gonna make some kind of like toning pad with these. So I just apply it onto the cotton pad like this, and then basically it just fits perfectly on my cheek. And it sits so nicely, like you don't have to worry about it falling off. All right, time to take these off, and oh my goodness, it just leaves your skin feeling so much more hydrated than before. And also the fermented ingredients in this toner have just helped me so much with fading my acne scars. I've tried so many skincare pads to do little masks like this, but these ones are honestly some of the best just because they stick so well and they really do a good job at helping the product get into your skin. And also I was just looking at this packaging and how precious. I'm pretty sure this is a green tea leaf. Toner is made from fermented green tea, so that would make sense, but how adorable is that? Alright, just applied my serum. I feel like you guys have seen me show this so many times on my channel. And then now for the final step, I'm using the 𝗞𝗘𝗡 Vegan Collagen Youth Cream. This is absolutely amazing. First of all, it has like the perfect balance of oil to water, probably because of the jojoba oil in here. I think that ingredient works really well for giving you that glowy look. And then also it has 8 kinds of hyaluronic acids, which just leaves your skin with the most hydrating feel. It comes with a little spatula and you literally only need the tiniest amount. Because of the formula, I feel like it's super easy to spread. It's not too thick, but it's also not too watery at the same time. And another favorite thing about this moisturizer is it has literally never broken me out. I would say this is super suitable for somebody that has sensitive skin, and also if you have dry skin, I feel like you will definitely love this one. Alright, so skincare is done. I am so happy that 2022 introduced me to 𝗞𝗘𝗡. If you want to get these products or find out more details on them, I will have the link to their Instagram and their website down below. And last thing I wanted to mention is 𝗞𝗘𝗡 is super affordable, guys. I know their packaging looks like they're really expensive, but the nice thing about this brand is you get the luxury experience for an affordable price. So their products are basically the same as drugstore prices, which I absolutely love. Alright, so I attempted to curl my hair, but it's still a tiny bit wet, so I don't know if the curls are gonna stick or not. But I just did some goal setting, which makes me feel just like so much more clear-headed and less brain foggy, I guess. So I wanted to share with you guys what some of my goals are for just the rest of this year. I'm obviously gonna do a whole probably like 2023 goal setting video. So these are very just like light, practical goals that don't place too much pressure on me, because let's be real, there's literally like a week left of the year, which is absolutely crazy. Sorry, I don't know what my hair is doing. But let me just read. I've made 5 goals that I think are definitely attainable for the rest of this year. So the first one is I want to spend more time off screen. There are some days that I literally spend all day on some kind of screen, and some days it's like because I literally have to get some kind of job done, but then some days it's just because I'm choosing to spend my time that way. And I just want to spend more time outside, more time face to face with my friends, and I think that's like pretty doable. And also I think during the holidays, especially when you're spending the holidays alone, I think that's also really important. I think it's good to like connect, of course, using social media, but then sometimes it gets to the point that we spend too much time connecting and it makes us feel like envious or, you know, lonely and stuff like that. So that was the first one. The second one is I want to create a marketing plan for Saved by Salt. I think I've been doing pretty good with marketing, but I've been kind of just like winging it, like posting whatever I feel like that day, and I think that does work sometimes, but I think it's going to be more effective if I have some kind of like scheduled plan. It's just that that is not one of my strongest points, so it's something I have to do more like research into and see what type of things are, you know, trending. My next goal is I want to restore my sleep schedule because my sleep schedule is just so off. I've been getting maybe like 7 hours of sleep every night, and that's on a good night, and I want to get back to getting 8 full hours because I can genuinely feel an improvement in like my brain power and my energy levels throughout the day. And like, for example, the other night I was just like on TikTok until 3 a.m, which is fun, of course. I was watching the World Cup, but I'm just like, girl, I need to get some more sleep. So I want to restore my sleep schedule and just be wiser with my time so that I'm not staying up late, because most of the time if I'm staying up late, it's because I'm finishing a deadline or I'm catching up on stuff that I could have done earlier in the day. And then I also want to restore my vegetable intake. You guys know I love eating vegetables, and I just feel like the only veggies I've been eating are when I have soups. So as you guys saw, I put like vegetables in my pasta today, and I'm just trying to eat them more. I don't like salads in the winter. For some reason, they just don't sound appetizing. I was eating so many salads and poke bowls this past summer, but like I'm just not craving them at all. So I want to improve my veggie intake. I ordered a lot of vegetables though, and I have them all in my freezer, so they're definitely here. I just gotta use them. And then my final goal is I want to continue dedicating more time to my faith. That is something that I've kept pretty private on my YouTube channel, and I will continue to keep private, but I have really improved my relationship with God probably like the past like 3 or 4 months, I would say, and I can just feel how much it's changed my life and how much it's changed like everything, you know, like my willingness to do things, my willingness to work harder, to push myself harder, and to not always feel like I'm chasing an answer, if that makes sense. So I just want to continue to dedicate time. I don't go to a church here, but I do like an online e-group for a church back in the States, and that's going really well. I found a really good community through that. And yeah, those are my 5 little goals. So anyways, my boyfriend is on his way over, and we are going to decorate for Christmas. We're just gonna do a small little decoration thing. I don't have a ton of decorations because I don't have that much storage in my house, but I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna set up. We're gonna set up the same thing we did last year, and I think it'll be cute. I'm excited. I can't believe I'm decorating so late for Christmas this year, and I haven't really had time, but better late than never. All right, so got our Christmas decor. Do you remember this from last year? Just the same?
Yeah.
Very cute. Ready, set, go! Wow. Looking at the light.